Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a way you can get some free training. Yeah, it goes over 4 different days. You can do it at your own pace, but each email will come every day. Yeah, so the training is absolutely free and it's taught by my mentor Zach Crawford. Now if you decide to opt in, this is what the page will look like, and it's 100% free training. Yeah, it's beginner friendly. Shows you how to build a profitable online business, yeah, selling other people's proven products. It's called affiliate marketing, guys, and it's my favourite way to make money online. If you check out my Facebook page, J Roberts, you will see that I'm posting my income as and when I get it. It's quite often with affiliate marketing, and what I'm going to show you in this training, guys, is that you can get, it's passive income, guys, and you can be paid every single month with very little work. You put in the work at the beginning and then you can sit back and relax and enjoy the passive income each month, guys. In this exclusive free training, yeah, we're going to show you how we build one-page websites that can generate income as little as 30 to 60 days, how to leverage a $355 million per day industry without ever needing to create your own products, guys. So basically, you're promoting other people's products, yeah. We're going to show you which products to promote, which are good for getting commissions and that. And we do this with zero, you can do this without any experience, guys, technical skills, and we get customers without risking money, yeah. So all you do, guys, I'll leave the link in the description. You click on it, and then if you sign up, guys, it'll bring you to like a page like this, guys. And if you sign up, guys, using my link, yeah, it's gonna you will get all this from Russell Brunson, yeah. You get a lot of value, guys. I've done this for the last 2 months, and the amount, I've done it twice because the amount of stuff to teach you guys, it's just awesome, guys. You get lots of freebies and that, lots of good stuff. Here you're going to get loads of bonuses, you get your books, they've all got different values, like 997, guys. Yeah, it's total value of 3,223, but you're not going to pay that, guys. Yeah, then Zach, my mentor, he's going to give you lots of his bonuses, guys. Then you're going to get your first 1,000 with affiliate marketing, yeah. He's going to show you the blueprint, how he makes it, yeah, and then you can copy him step by step, yeah. You're also going to get your done for you high converting sales funnels. So basically, the ones he's using to make money, he's going to give you them. So all you have to do is download them, put them, install them into yours, which is so simple, guys. It's just like a one-click already in there, yeah. He'll show you how to do that. If not, I'll show you as well. That's got a value of 1,997. The first one's 997, guys. Yeah, his other one is gonna let you leverage his bonus package, yeah, which is a value of 2,997. So basically, the difference between super affiliates who make sales effortlessly and amateur affiliates that struggle to make sales, he's going to show you everything, guys. He's going to teach you step by step. He's going to let you leverage it. He's going to let you download his stuff. He's going to basically hold your hand, guys, and help you. Yeah, that's what he's done with me, and it's worked, paying off, guys. Yeah, he's gonna give you the $1 million swipe file, basically. All his he's gonna give you all his emails, his social media posts. Yeah, you can just copy them, tweak them a little bit, and then paste them onto yours, guys, without having to do much work. You're gonna get invited into his Facebook mastermind group. Yeah, it's got a 997 value. Lots of people in there, guys, who are helping each other, myself included. I'll be in there helping, I'll be in there learning. Yeah, so that's a good group. That's a total combined value, yeah, of 11,208. But you're not going to pay that today, guys. Yeah. All you're going to pay today, if you decide to sign up, guys, is $100, yeah. And that's to join the affiliate bootcamp, which is over on Clickfunnels, guys, yeah. But if you sign up through our link, this is where you're gonna get all Zach's bonuses and all Russell Brunson's from Clickfunnels bonuses, yeah, guys. You're gonna get videos, 30 days of videos. You're gonna get coaching from Stephen Latt from Russell, Stephen Larson, Julie Stone, yeah. You're going to get customized kits, you're going to get an MP3 player, hardcover books, yeah. You're going to get taught every single day, guys. I've done it, it's so much value, it's worth more than that, yeah. Then you add on Zach's bonuses are awesome. I'm going to show you inside it in a minute, guys, what you get. It is brilliant. And guys, you also are going to get my bonuses. Now my bonuses ain't on here, but I am going to be adding them very soon, and they're going to be really good, guys, yeah. Because I've done this quite a few times. I've done it twice, and I've also signed up for a few different people, yeah. And I've got their bonuses, so I'm now leveraging them, and I'm going to give you their bonuses, yeah. So it saves you signing up multiple times. I'm going to give you my bonuses, yeah. And if you check out my website, robertsmedia.co.uk, you will see some of the stuff that I do, and then some of the stuff I'm going to be giving you, as in like videos, chatbots, stuff like that, guys, courses and that. I've got so many bonuses to give you guys, it's going to take me a while to put it all on here, but I wanted to show you Russell and Zach's bonuses. They come to total combined value of 11,208, yeah, guys, plus mine. I'm going to make it, it's going to go past 15,000 at least, guys, yeah, with the bonuses I'm giving you, and if not more. And I'm continually going to add some, and you can join my Facebook group as well, where I'll be there to help you every single day if needed, yeah, guys. I've been through this, I know how daunting it can be, but don't let it be, guys. You're going to get help off the best. Russell, Stephen and Julie are all brilliant, yeah. Then Zach's going to be there, he's going to be in his group helping you daily. He's going to be in it's going to be like Messenger, you can chat to him. On me, you can chat to me anytime you want, guys. Even if you want, I'll give you well, you're going to get my private email anyway, but I'll also give you other ways to get hold of me. So if you want to like text my cell phone, or you want to talk to me on Voxer, etc., guys, I'm going to give you these kind of bonuses. So all you need to do, guys, is join the bootcamp, yeah. It finishes on the 5th of August, so you've only got a couple of days. It's going to cost you $100, guys, but then once you've got it, guys, you can promote it as well, and you can even earn that money back. Then you're going to get taught how to do affiliate marketing, not just for Clickfunnels. Zach and myself are going to teach you different ways how to promote other products as well, guys. Stuff like, for instance, hosting and just things like that, guys. There's things what are going to help people, products what can help people, guys, yeah. So, guys, if you, oh, 1 minute, guys, and this is sort of stuff you're going to get, guys, yeah. So you go inside these, get his, so many, like, it's step by step, guys. You start here, yeah. Chapter 1, so many chapters, yeah. It's how to scale 6 figures, traffic mastery. You go inside places like this, guys, yeah. Let's say, yeah, you go inside here, and then you've got all these different videos, different like social media, video marketing, yeah. Let's see if you go back. Then how to scale, done for you marketing, yeah, monthly coaching sessions, and so on, guys. There is so many different videos inside different ones, yeah, guys. So you got like your introduction, your social, done for your social media posts, your emails, your funnel, etc., guys. It's definitely worth it, guys. So much value in this training. It's going to like I said, step by step, basically holding your hand. There's no worries at all, guys. He's there for you, I'm there for you, and during the boot camp, you get to learn and get more freebies, because other people start giving you stuff like different apps and that you can use to help find things and stuff. I don't want to bog you down with too much info, guys, but basically, if you sign up for the free training, guys, you're going to get 4 days of free training, yeah. Then it's entirely up to you if you want to sign up for the boot camp. The boot camp is separate, yeah. So if you want to, you're going to get the 4 days of training anyway, guys, and you might as well do it for free. You might as well sign up and get it for free, guys. You're going to get 4 days of training from Zach Crawford. Yeah, if you like the look of it and you think it's going to sound good, then you can sign up for the affiliate bootcamp, right? That's where you're going to get all the bonuses. You're going to get Zach and myself and the Clickfunnels bonuses and that, guys. So just check it out, guys. Sign up for the free training at least. It's going to be worth it, guys. Yeah, it's free and it's lots of value in that 4 days. Like I said, the emails come daily over the next 4 days after you sign up for this, guys. So check your emails, make sure they're not in the spam folder, because sometimes it slips through. But what I mean is, check it daily. You can do it at your own pace. It's going to be there. It's going to get sent to you either way, guys, and then it's up to you to watch the videos, implement the training, and build a profitable online business, guys. Yeah, it's good, guys. Check out my Facebook page. I will leave the link in the description. You can see that I'm posting commissions from ClickFunnels and other stuff. Yeah, so look forward to seeing you guys. And if you click on this link, put a message in the comment section, guys, and let me know, guys. Yeah, and I will look out for you guys, and maybe you might get some extra bonuses. So I'm Gerald, guys. This is Building My Empire, helping you to build your empire. Hope to see you in there, guys. Until next time, goodbye.